How to buy crypto with fiat. To start buying cryptocurrencies, first, you need to find a cryptocurrency exchange in which you can buy cryptocurrency with your fiat currency of your country. Fiat currency is a currency issued by the government. So, depending on your fiat currency, you need to find an exchange that accepts it. There are many different cryptocurrency exchanges from different countries. These exchanges just allow the purchase of cryptocurrency with certain fiat currency. Once you find the right cryptocurrency exchange, you need to register. You will need to input personal information to complete the registration, including your full name, email address, phone number, and home address. Most cryptocurrency exchanges require KYC registration. KYC is a legal identification procedure required to protect exchanges from financial crimes and money laundering. In the KYC registration, you will need to prove your personal identification with either your passport or driver's license. After the registration, you have to connect your exchange with a payment option. Most crypto exchanges connect with your bank account directly, but nowadays, you can connect a debit or credit card to ease the buying transaction. Now that the payment option is connected with the exchange, you deposit funds to buy cryptocurrency. In some exchanges, you have to deposit directly from your bank account to the exchange account to buy the cryptocurrency. It is important to note that the price of the cryptocurrency is constantly fluctuating. You have to check the price of the cryptocurrency when you are buying it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and click the like button. And see you next time.